Hey guys, go Bullion Treasures really quick. There's a lock in the road right there. I'm gonna have to try to get it at nighttime. Alright, bye. You guys, my camera quit working, so I don't know what the last thing is you heard or saw. Let's see here. I said I was trying to look for some more of those white things, but I don't want to go down over there. They're mostly been over here by the road, actually. So, yeah. That's plastic. Oh my gosh, you guys, there was stuff here. And it's totally gone. It's ripped up out of the ground. Look at that. Everything's ripped up, and they got like the metal poles here still that was holding it. It's all gone. That's crazy. I wonder why they ripped it up out of the ground. Got hair in my mouth. There. Got it out. Wow, I wonder why they ripped that up out of the ground. Paper. Alright then, y'all. I would like to walk oh, there's another one. And a whole line of new cars coming. Yeah, I passed up quite a few metal pieces here. Or at least two. One looks like a car emblem. And one is another piece of that aluminum. And then there's like one or two more aluminum pieces down there. Alright, let's get the car emblem first. So that piece of wood is still there, ironically. This is a piece of plastic that says Nissan. But we'll take it. Alright, y'all. I got to hurry before some more cars come. There's another piece of that aluminum piece. I don't know how many I got now. I've lost count. And another piece. Oh, and a nail. I gotta look for cars, y'all. Is that a nail? No. Some more plastic. There's two more pieces of these aluminum pieces here. Flattened out already. I'm in the driveway right now. There's cars way down there, but they're not here yet. Those are plastic, so it looks like there might have been a car wreck here. Some kind. That's a street sweeper bristle. No, it's not. Why did I think it was? It didn't even move. Nut. What a nut. Alright, oh, there's some more. Some more of these. Wow, they lost a lot, whoever did this stuff. I can't get it. I'm going to use the corner of that one. Come on, bugger. Oh my god. I got issues, y'all. Okay, try to get this. Got it. Oh my lord, that one didn't want to come. Oh, you kidding me? Alright, got it. Whoa. Got my hair in my mouth again. Ugh. Alright, let's see here. Is there anything? No. Glass Corona bottle busted. Plastic. So there might be some more of those white aluminum pieces up here in this grass, because it's been going on for a while now. And if that's true, then that means there was a massive wreck here. Yep, look at that, y'all. That and a beer smushed. Alright, I'm going to have to set my bag down for a moment because it's heavy trying to pick up this stuff here with carrying that bag. Alright. Cars are coming. We made it past the driveway area. So that's good. I think I see a bolt screw, but there's some more cars, vehicles coming. The other car is still driving around over there, and it's probably probably gonna come this way again. So, yep, they are. Of course. And there they go again. Oh, one-eyed Charlie. Somebody getting in the turn lane again, way ahead of time and about to cause a wreck. Haha. The other car got over in front of them that was in front of them to begin with. Almost a repeat of earlier. Alright, where did that screw go? Is it really a screw? I don't know. But I got a piece of metal. I don't see a screw. Maybe that was what I thought was a screw. I don't know. That's plastic. I don't know. I thought I saw a screw there. Definitely not a screw, is it? Alright. But this is a piece of metal. That's all good. It's not a screw. But it's a piece of metal. Alright, y'all. Let's see here if there's any more of that white metal stuff up here. Nope, that's a piece of plastic. What's over here? Marlboro menthol, excuse me. Cigarette pack. What's that? Trash, plastic. Ooh, a rock almost got me. Alright. Well, that might be the end of the run of the plastic. I'm at the metal. Is that metal? It is, right? Yes, it is. Piece of aluminum can here. I still can't believe I thought I saw a screw this whole time. It wasn't a screw at all. Alright, we got it. Ah, the wind just blew it out of my hand. Oh, look, a nut. I'm glad the wind blew it out of my hand because I would have missed that nut there. There you go. You say it don't look like a nut, it looks like a washer. Boom, there's the other side. Nut washer. Nut washer. Oh, there is a screw here. Let's go ahead and grab it. I got it. Screw bolt. Not the one I thought I saw. Oh my God, I gotta get up and I'm in a hole. Where's my staff at? There's a car coming off a side street kind of fast. Ooh. I got caught on that round circle thing. Okay, I'm all tied up in my bag now in my hand. Oh my God. How did I do that? I don't even know. Alright, we need to look around again real quick. I don't see anybody near me. That guy is apparently gone. So, yeah, nobody around me. Let's keep going. I hate grass. It's deceiving. It just keeps dropping down. Now, is that plastic or metal? It could be metal. I don't know. I think it's a piece of plastic. It looks like that plastic pieces that I've been dealing with all night. Some kind of white material stuff. Those is all plastic. The same plastic. Alright, we got some aluminum can pieces here, so we'll go ahead and grab them up. Thank you much. Thank you, God, for all the pieces. Look at this. There's something down here. A big old metal bar. Heck, I can't even see that hardly. I just saw a little edge there. I actually thought it was a street sweeper bristle, but it was not a bristle at all. Hair keeps getting in my face and my mouth. I don't like that. I could cut it off, right? But nah. Kind of liking it long right now, especially since winter's coming up. Alright, we're back to the driveway where my car is at. I'm still disappointed I couldn't get that walk out of the road, but I can't see where the chunk of asphalt's missing. Because it was in a hole in the road. Yep, what is that? Is that plastic? I think it's plastic, y'all. Well, oh, there's another aluminum piece. Yep, there's cars coming. One more aluminum piece. Look, there's fiberglass here. That's fiberglass. Another car with some bright headlights. Bright headlights. Blinding me. The other car's further down the road. But they're coming quick. But I'm going to get this real quick. This piece right here. Oh my God. If I can. Come on. Alright. In time. Okay. Wow. I am amazed. There's something shiny in the road. It's probably nothing. But I still like to check it out, and there's a line of cars coming. I'm trying to keep my eye on it so I don't lose it. My eyes got dots in it from all them cars blinding me. I'm surprised I didn't see more of that white aluminum stuff down further where I walked out earlier. Alright, let's go check it out, y'all. It's like in the road. Nothing there. Of course not. Why should there be? Why should there be? Alright, y'all. We need to get across here. What is that? The ground's getting wet because sprinklers is on. Man, why can't I see that? Okay. So I made it back over here. Why can't I see that though? That's crazy. I really wanted to get that locked tonight. I really don't have a clue where it's at. I know I was here near the light. So maybe it was down further? Ouch. I'm trying to see what the car's lights is not shining on it for real. Oh my gosh. It might be a easy pick and grab if I could just locate where it's at. You know, it's like a pothole somewhere. So yeah, there's no metal pieces over here, but there was one in the drive, so yeah, that debris went far, didn't it? Sure did. Huh. Back to the ketchup packet. I'm still trying to find out where it's at, y'all. Oh! I think it's like right near here. Ah, my back is killing my arm. Look at that. Look at all I got, y'all. All my cans, aluminum gutter stuff. I think it's like right there, but it's like right in the median like area. I got too far away from my bag here. It's either there or it's down there. Somewhere. There's a hole there and a hole there. I need to probably figure out where it's at in my car, but it's hard. Because you don't always get to stop or slow down here. Ooh. I think it's down further there. Grab my bag. I'm thinking about maybe darting out there and grabbing it when there's no traffic. If it's not stuck. I don't think it was there. I think it's down here. Like approximately right about here somewhere out there. And there's no cars. One down there. I could check it real quick. Let's see here. There it is. Right there. And no, I can't get it. Damn. But yes, I can. I got it. Alright, y'all. I got the lock. Just ouch, in time there. So, heavy duty. Alright, now I can go home happy. I got the heavy lock. Yeah. Alright, I've located it. Now I'm done. Ooh. What is that? Huh. Okay. I don't know if somebody's banging on something or somebody's shooting a gun. I'm hoping they're banging on something, not shooting a gun, because that would suck. For whatever they're aiming at. It's not over here. It's down over there somewhere on the other side of that gray building. And actually there's been a lot of cars going over there. That car that kept going around in a circle that just left from over there. Okay, going back to the car. This way down for me is calling me. Yep, sprinklers are on. I'm trying not to use my walking stuff right now because I can actually walk faster without using it. But it does help me out to get up and stuff. Okay. Alright, so there's probably going to be a bunch of mini videos, y'all. Woo. I do appreciate you guys watching. Button, treasures, don't forget to smash the like button. Share with your family, friends, and co-workers and strangers. Leave a comment, and I shall comment back as soon as possible. Subscribe for more, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Okay, I thought there was something here, but there's nothing. Alright. No, it's a twig, y'all. Right there in front of my foot is a twig. Alright. That's cool. Alright, we'll catch you guys later. Thanks again, like I said, for watching and commenting and stuff. Lots of twigs around here. I keep hoping they're copper wire, but I did find some copper tonight, so that's pretty cool. Copper, aluminum. Look at that. Oh, goodness. Okay. So let's look in our bag real quick since we're here still. See what we got. Boom. Look at all that. Can stuff. Sure, I can't put the sheet aluminum on there, so I gotta stop that. Throw that over there. Lots of it though. Hey, I can check my magnet here. Yep, it's aluminum. It don't stick to my magnet. Yeah, I think that's a piece of can. This rope was a pretty good one. It's a pretty good rope, I think, and it's already got a loop in the end. That piece of chunky metal. Yep, sticks is going in there. I'm not going to sort through all of this tonight, y'all. But I'm going to get these aluminum pieces out mostly. And I need to get a separate bag or box for that, right? Yeah. Can. That's what's so heavy. I forgot all about that bigger. That's what I found earlier today. Really heavy. Boom. Does that stick? It does. I guess I'm gonna get rid of that because I don't really need that. Oh, I got my little 5-ball. That's a cool find. I don't need it. No, I don't. Yeah, there's some dirt in my car. Man, that's a lot of these things. All right, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I guess 15 of those. I don't see any more in my bag, so I guess that's 15. Okay, let's see what this kind of metal is. Looks like it has like a rubber band or something in there. I don't know. It don't stick to my magnet, so I don't know. Kind of strange. Piece of aluminum. Hey, look at that. Maybe it's one of those smoking things. Hold on. Focus. It's got like that CE thing on there. Probably one of those smokers things. All kinds of stuff in here. Okay, that don't stick. Whatever that was, maybe it's steel. That don't stick. That don't, oh, that's copper. I was gonna say that don't stick. That sticks. So, yeah, let's see. Screw over here, street bristle over there. Yeah, I got a lot more here. Oh, now that's plastic, ain't it? Rubbery. That's trash. And then we still gotta figure out what this thing is. I don't know. It's got prongs in there. I don't have a name on it though. I don't know. Alright, we'll go through the rest of this later. That is chunky metal there. And these bolts too. Alright. That's all I'm gonna do for now. I don't know if this round circle thing will go in here or not. But yeah, whenever you find these round circle things with like a little dent thing in it, those belong to car tires. Look, right in there. Well, I might have to smush it if I can, but not right now. Alright, that didn't work. Okay, we're done. Give me my keys. Oh, I've been trying to take this apart, but I don't have all the... Maybe it ain't coming apart yet. Okay. And I'm still working on that piece right here, too. It's pretty sharp, so I gotta keep my gloves on when I work on it. And taking the glove off while I'm talking about that, too. Alright, y'all. We are done now. Thanks for watching. Bye.